Phase 1. The entry sequence. Let's face the brutal truth about living in the UK or Europe right now. Standard salaries are completely freezing, while basic rent, energy, and supermarket bills are skyrocketing. If you only have one single source of income, your wallet is in a very dangerous trap. Today, we break the system wide open. Meet Theo and Elena. They work hard, live frugally, and track every single penny. Yet, their banking apps show a flatlined balance every single month. Elena wants to break free and build a massive financial runway. But between a tight full-time schedule and strict visa hour limitations, she has absolutely no idea which side hustles are actually real, profitable, or legal. In this multi-chapter blueprint, we are tracking Theo and Elena as they launch a secret digital playbook to bypass traditional income limits. We will uncover 5 high-paying side hustles you can start from a laptop today, revealing real earning data and exactly how to escape hidden banking blocks. Welcome back to Every Pound and Euro. Let's dive straight into the numbers. Phase 2. Operational flow. First, Theo tackles remote micro-consulting. Small European companies are drowning in digital clutter but cannot afford full-time office staff. Theo logs onto a freelance network and meets Marcus, a local business director. By handling quick data sorting, email filtering, and digital management for just 2 hours an evening, Theo secures a steady stream of extra euro payments directly to his profile. The beauty of micro-consulting is that you don't need a formal master's degree. Companies value speed and execution over traditional corporate credentials. Marcus was losing 5 hours a week just responding to standard calendar invites. Theo automated the entire process using basic scheduling tools, earning a premium flat-rate fee while freeing up Marcus to focus on scaling his actual business revenue. To launch this successfully, set up a clean profile on platforms like Upwork or Contra. Don't label yourself as a generic assistant. Instead, call yourself a digital operations specialist for European SMBs. This simple branding twist allows you to charge 30 to 50 euros per hour right from day one, completely bypassing low-cost competition overseas. Phase 3. Media architecture. Meanwhile, Elena launches the content repurposing hack. Local fitness gyms, trendy coffee shops, and independent boutique stores across high-cost cities desperately need vertical videos to stay alive, but business owners are too busy to edit clips. Elena steps in, transforms their long audio clips into fast vertical reels using free apps, and signs her first monthly cash retainer contract right on the spot. Think about the local marketplace psychology. These local business owners understand they need a presence on TikTok and Instagram Reels to survive, but they don't know how to clip timelines. Elena approaches them with 3 pre-made mobile video drafts built from their existing website photos. Seeing immediate value, the business owners gladly agree to a monthly €300 retainer. By securing just 3 local clients, Elena built a steady €900 monthly income stream, using nothing but free video editing tools on her smartphone during her daily train commute. It is completely active, high-margin cash that scale-focused creators can lock down without massive ad budgets or advanced tech background layers. Phase 4. Automation layer. Hustle number 3 scales this concept up. AI prompt engineering for local tradesmen, plumbers, electricians, and independent contractors lose thousands of pounds every year simply by ignoring customer quote emails. Theo builds short, automated message templates that allow these businesses to respond instantly. He sets up the automation system once, changes local lives, and collects premium flat-rate setup fees. Think about it. A local electrician is out fixing wires all day and cannot type professional email responses on his phone. By setting up a simple automated chatbot link on his Google business profile, Theo captures hot leads for the business automatically. The tradesman happily pays a monthly maintenance fee because his incoming booking rate instantly doubles overnight. You do not need to be a software developer to build these automated lines. Free software platforms allow you to drag, drop, and connect incoming client forms straight into template response files. It is an uncrowded B2B service niche across the UK and Eurozone, carrying massive pricing power for smart microsavers. Phase 5. Digital assets. Next is digital template design. Thousands of corporate workers and university students across Europe are constantly hunting for pre-made Notion hubs, expense sheets, and sleek planners. Elena spends one single afternoon crafting a beautiful budgeting tracker layout in a free tool. She lists it online, creating a digital asset that prints passive income while she sleeps peacefully in her flat. Our fifth hustle is localized media translation. With European entertainment and tech networks expanding across borders, the demand for natural subtitles is at an all-time high. If you speak a second language fluently, you can review raw video files right from your living room couch, getting paid solid, transparent rates per minute of translated text files without ever leaving your house. This is a massive goldmine for bilingual expats and international students. Media agencies are scaling content across France, Germany, Spain, and the UK simultaneously by acting as the cultural bridge who polishes automated transcripts into perfect, localized text. You can easily pull in an extra £200 every single weekend. Phase 6. Channel strategy. But stop right there, because this is where most creators ruin their entire business. As Theo and Elena start pulling in extra pounds and euros, an invisible enemy wakes up: automated bank security algorithms. If a random stream of international business payments suddenly floods a standard personal account, your card will be instantly frozen for fraud verification, locking your cash. To defeat this compliance trap, Theo and Elena use separate borderless business profiles to route their digital invoices cleanly. By tracking local allowances, like the UK's £1,000 trading limit, their extra wealth stays safe, completely legal, and growing. They link their incoming funds to modern accounts like Wise and Revolut to avoid conversion markups. The system is completely there for you to win once you apply real financial discipline. Don't let inflation drain your hard-earned progress. Pick your digital side hustle. Separate your accounts, protect your assets, and secure your financial freedom across Europe. Subscribe to Every Pound and Euro right now for more elite money blueprints, and we will see you in the next video.